are able to access the services that you support them.
Through this project, we have not only delivered a solar energy solution, we have built a system for self-reliance, platform for growth, and also a platform for environmental sustainability. We feel honored to have partnered with the Energy for Refugee team, and we wish to sincerely thank them and also thank Ki4bli team for their strong cooperation throughout the phases of the project.
The impact we expect to see with this project is not only see Ki4bli grow because now they're able to self-sustain in energy and grow the huge impact they're having in the community, but also we hope that a lot of big donors can see that giving energy it's a way to keep the agency to the refugees and not with in-kind donations, but giving the energy for the refugees to choose what they want to do with it.
My message first is to Energy for Refugees and the Wilden Gazen Foundation for the generous support to implement this project here. It couldn't be possible without their generous support. We are so much grateful for that. We wish them to keep supporting many other innovations, refugee-led organizations, to be able to resolve energy access problems. My key message to the world and other partners, other donors, is to invest trust in local leadership and local innovation, because supporting the local leadership is building resilience and sustainability.